guys, welcome back to Realtima TV. Like they say, the bond between mother and son lasts a lifetime, and also the bond between mother and son is a special one. That's why we at Realtima TV came up with this beautiful video to show you your favorite top Nollywood actresses and their cute sons. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share and subscribe, and also click on the notification bell so you get notified each time we upload a new video. Chacha Eke Fanny, Nollywood actress Chacha Eke, who is already blessed with two beautiful daughters, welcomed her son Awesome Chimere Fanny on May 10, 2019. Mercy Agbe, Nollywood actress Mercy Agbe welcomed her cute son Olajuwon on June 18, 2010. Ngozi Ezonu, beautiful Nollywood actress Ngozi, is also blessed with 4 children, 2 girls and 2 boys, and her sons are just as cute as their mother. Hilda Dokumbo, due to how private the actress is, we don't have any personal information about her sons, but hey, it's good to see the sons of this wonderful actress. Yvonne Jegede, Nollywood Black Beauty Yvonne Jegede welcomed her adorable son on November 1st, 2018. Tonto DK, beautiful Nollywood actress Tonto DK welcomed her cute son on February 17, 2016. You just can't help but love the bond between this mother and son. Mercy Johnson Okoje, very talented actress Mercy Johnson Okoje welcomed her son Henry Okoje on October 15, 2014. Patience Uzokwon, wonderful and very talented actress Patience Uzokwon is blessed with 3 children, 2 sons and a daughter. Names of her sons are Chinedu, the first son, and Nduka, the second son. Omotola Jalade Ekainde and husband Captain Matthew are blessed with 4 kids, 2 boys and 2 girls. Her sons' names are Matthew Jr. and Michael. Lilian Esoro, Nollywood actress Lilian Esoro welcomed her cute son Jaden on July 17, 2016. Uche Jumbo, talented actress Uche Jumbo welcomed her cute son Matthew on May 27, 2015. Adunni Ade, beautiful Nollywood actress Adunni, is also blessed with two adorable sons. Stephanie Okereke, Nollywood diva Stephanie and her husband welcomed their son Maxwell on October 23, 2015. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe, and also click on the notification bell so you get notified each time we upload a new video.